Are you currently having problems with Netflix not loading on your smart TV and you want to be able to fix this? Well, actually, me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to find this menu button or home button on your controller right here. So I'm just going to click on home, as you can see. It's going to click on home, it's going to load here for me, and then I should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So now on this page, we're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to find the Wi-Fi symbol right here, as you can see in settings. So just go into your Wi-Fi, and then what you're going to do, you're just going to now enable this Wi-Fi by actually just going into Wi-Fi right here, and then just clicking on this button right here. So we're going to enable Wi-Fi. Just a second, it's just going to load here for me. So basically one of the main reasons for your Netflix not loading right now on your smart TV is because you're currently not connected to a Wi-Fi. And if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, actually it could be a bug that basically your Wi-Fi has bugged, and you can always turn this one off right here. So you can see the Wi-Fi off like this. I'm going to show you, and then you're going to turn it back on again and reconnect to the Wi-Fi that you were using before. Because what will happen then basically is that you will now actually fix a lot of bugs that was currently like before, basically when you were not connected to a Wi-Fi. So just a second, I'm going to reconnect here, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to find once again that Wi-Fi that you were using before, and then you're going to connect to it, and then you can start using Netflix once again on your smart TV.